UK car production plummeted to 780,000 units in 2024, marking the lowest output in 7 decades, excluding the pandemic-induced disruptions. This stark figure, released by the Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders, SMMT, underscores the industry's struggle with weak consumer demand and the ongoing transition to electric vehicles, EVs. The last time production figures were this low was in 1954, a year. 1954 saw the British Motor Corporation, a newly formed entity resulting from the merger of Morris and Austin, dominate the landscape. The post-war era was marked by austerity. Rationing, a legacy of World War II, only ended in July of that year. This historical context provides a stark contrast to the current challenges facing the industry. The 2024 figures are further complicated by the 2021 decision by Stellantis, the owner of Vauxhall, to shift its Ellesmere Port, Cheshire plant from car to van production. This strategic shift significantly alters the overall vehicle production numbers. When including vans, the total UK vehicle production reached 905,000 units in 2024. However, this still represents a concerning 12% decrease. The production slowdown is also attributable to temporary production halts implemented by several car manufacturers as they retool their factory lines for EV production. Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, a prominent player in the industry, notably paused all Jaguar production last year, a prelude to its highly anticipated and somewhat controversial relaunch as a fully electric brand. This strategic pivot, while crucial for long-term sustainability, undeniably contributed to the overall production dip in 2024. The British automotive industry faces a confluence of challenges extending beyond domestic issues. The looming threat of tariffs imposed by the Donald Trump administration on imports to the UK's second-largest market adds another layer of uncertainty. While the industry hopes to avert these potential levies, the reality is that many UK car exports fall into the luxury segment, where consumers might be more willing to absorb the added tariff cost. The industry also eagerly awaits government action to ease the stringent regulations imposed by the zero-emission vehicle mandate, which necessitates an escalating proportion of electric car sales each year. This mandate, while promoting sustainable practices, presents a significant challenge to manufacturers grappling with the complexities of EV production and market demand. The current predicament stands in stark contrast to the ambitious 2 million unit production target set as recently as 2017. The intervening years have witnessed considerable turmoil, marked by the political uncertainty generated by the Brexit vote and the disruptive impact of the COVID. These factors have collectively contributed to the closure of several manufacturing plants, highlighting the vulnerability of the UK automotive sector to both domestic and global economic and political headwinds. The recent announcement by Stellantis in November 2023 to close its Luton van factory further underscores the fragility of the industry and the challenges it faces in navigating the complex landscape of global automotive manufacturing. The 2024 production figures serve as a stark reminder of the monumental task ahead for the UK car industry to regain its former prominence on the world stage.